Welcome to our unboxing video. Today we want to unpack the energy meter. There is a new module generation available with 4 new modules. There are 2 variants for the functionality, the ST module and the HF module. HF stands here for high feature and has accordingly a bit more functionality. For example, I can read out network quality information. In addition, there are 2 measurement signal variants for both the ST and the HF module. The CT module is for an ordinary current transformer. The RC module is for a Rogowski coil and especially for current voltage transformers. If I want to plug this module now on the ET200SP, I need a base unit before, which I have here. The base unit is of type U0 and therefore exactly suitable for the energy meter. If I don't know the right base unit for the module, I have the possibility to find that out in the TIA selection tool. There I can configure my whole station and get the right base unit as a result. If I want to plug it there, I place it onto the DIN rail until it snaps into place. And then I move it over to the ET200SP until it snaps into place next to the last base unit. After that, I can start with my wiring. There are several options for the wiring. I can measure in different networks, for example in an IT network. That means I can measure without a neutral conductor and then I have different options. For example, to measure 3 phases or 3 times single phase. I can check all measurements in the manual, where they are shown graphically. Then I select my type of measurement and see how I have to wire everything. To be able to measure, I plug in the energy meter module, which fits exactly into the base unit and must snap into place, once at the top and once at the bottom. As soon as this is engaged, I have the connection and can measure accordingly. For the measurement itself, there are 2 different options, as already announced in the module variants. I have the possibility to measure with a current transformer or, as in this case, with a current voltage transformer. I simply connect it here and then I can start measuring. The advantage of the current voltage transformer in this case is that it is much easier to scale. That's why I decided to use the current voltage transformer here. If you want to have more information about this, you can also visit our media system. Here we have gathered all the information regarding measurements and also about energy management software. In another video, we will look at how I can display the measured data from the energy meter and how to forward it to another software. That brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.